So we just did the walkthrough and got the keys to our new tiny house, and I thought I would show you a video. So let me turn you around and show you our house. We have a gate here that we come through and we park right out there. And then we have all this space. Nice privacy fence, brand new. And then here is the front door. So I will take you inside. We have a little entryway. Put up some hooks or something for coats and my purse. We have a storage coat closet here. And then directly across from the entryway is our laundry room. Let me hit the light. So here is the laundry room. It is set up for a stackable washer and dryer. So we have a washer and dryer. We just have to get a stackable. We'll just sell ours and then put a stackable in here. It has the recessed lighting all throughout. It is also already set up for ceiling fans. So as you come in to the right, to the left of us is the kitchen, which is amazing. Pantry, it is soft close doors. Brand new fridge, which is actually bigger than ours. Has a nice subway tile backsplash, a big kitchen sink with a garbage disposal, which is awesome. We don't currently have that. I'm going to put up some cafe curtains, and then I want to put a rod up at the top for baskets. Has a nice lazy Susan in there. And then, of course, we have a dishwasher, which we've never had. Microwave, stove, it is all electric, so we appreciate that. And then I've gotten a kitchen island that's going to go here. And it's an eat at kitchen island, so I have some bar stools. Our little buffet will go over here, which is not so little. And then when you turn around, our kitchen is open to the living room. We have a mini split up here. And then to the left of the entryway, we have a really spacious closet for Greg to keep his tools and things in. And then this is the second bedroom. We've been storing up some things in here to so we could get some boxes out of our room. We have a closet. This will probably be Greg's closet. Another mini split up on the wall. And then we have remote control for the mini splits in each room. So this is the second bedroom. And then just a little jog from the entryway, we have our hallway. Just a small hallway, but big enough to put like a linen cabinet over here. And then this will be Greg and I's bedroom. mini split. And then this will be my closet, I believe. We have lights in the closet, which we don't even have at our current place. Wonderful vinyl floors. Again, we have the remote for the mini split. Nothing is on right now as far as the air, but it's nice and cool in here. So I don't think it will be difficult to cool. Then we have our little electrical panel. And then if you go to the right of our bedroom, we have the bathroom. Again, with the subway tile. Nice mirror, a little window. Big tub. Again, soft close drawers. Plenty of storage. Behind the door, he set us up with a towel rack. We have a rack for hand towel. And then around here we have the thing for the toilet paper, which I was so loving because it just slips up. It's so easy to put your toilet paper on. So, so yeah, that's our little tiny house. And so now the fun begins of moving everything in. Everything is very spacious as far as like the entryway and stuff. It is wide. Like all the hallways, the doorways are all much wider than normal. So that's nice. Shouldn't have any issues with getting our things in here. I'm glad the walls are not just white. They're like a khaki color. So that is nice. We got a free couch, so we already moved it in. I'm going to put it here to kind of separate the living room from the kitchen. And yeah, so now the fun begins. You'll have to let me know down below if you have any questions or any comments about our tiny house.